rich, 나는 solo.
Pink lids, high blush, and red lips. This look is gonna be easy. Let's get started. First off, I am starting with my base. I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm applying it to the high points of my face so that I won't contour anymore. Just apply a thin layer using your brush so that it would be easy to blend. Using a beauty blender, just press the product onto your skin so that you will have a very smooth canvas. Next, I'll be using my Maybelline concealer. I'll be putting it under my eyes so that it would be concealed and smooth. I'll be putting it in the middle of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. After that, I'll be blending it all out so that we can have a great base. Next, we are gonna proceed with the eyebrows. I'm just using a brown eyeshadow on my brows because I just want to achieve a soft and natural look. I'm just drawing it straight because we are doing it Korean style. And I'm just using a concealer on the edges of my brows because I just want it to look very, very clean. Next, I'm gonna proceed to my eyeshadow. I'm using the color white as my base so that we can blend it easily with the color pink. And now I am just applying the color pink. As you notice, I am just slowly building up the color because we want to achieve that smooth looking without it looking too messy. We want it blended. Okay, next we are gonna proceed with the shimmer. I'm applying a highlighter in the middle of my lids because I want my eyeshadow to pop. I'm also applying it below my waterline just so that we can have the puffy eye effect, and also at the start of my lids so we can have brighter eyes. Next, I'm just prepping my eyelids so I can draw smoothly using an eyeliner pencil. I'll be using the color brown just because I want to achieve a soft look. And I'm just lining my eyes very carefully since I don't want to make mistakes. I'm also applying the liner below my waterline but only at the edges just to make my eyes look rounder since my eyes are a little bit slanted. I'm just working back with the shimmer right here so that it will still pop out. Okay, so now we are gonna proceed with my eyeliner. I'm just doing it very slowly since I don't want to make mistakes here. If you notice, I'm just following the shape of my eyes since I just want to achieve a natural look. Not too much of the wing, but just the trace of my eyes. Next, we are gonna proceed with the blush. I'm just putting the blush above my cheeks because that's where Jennie's blush starts. And I'm using a small brush because we want to concentrate the blush above our cheeks. And I'm blending it with a bigger brush so that it would look even and well blended on our skin. Next, I'm just gonna contour my nose. I'm using a light brown shade and I'm just following the shape of my nose. After that, I'm blending it with a soft fluffy brush so that it would look smooth. Make sure that you blend it well so the color will be diffused and so that there will be no harsh lines. Finally, the red lips. I'm applying my classic MAC Ruby Woo all over my lips. And I'll be using my lip brush to trace my lips so that it would look very, very neat. We are almost done with this look. I'm just gonna fix my hair and I'll be back. So that wraps up our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, that's thay.jean on Instagram, thay_jean on Twitter. And since you're here now, click the subscribe button. Bye!